Alright, what's up guys? I'm back with another video and today I'll be doing episode 20 of this Let's Play series. And yeah, we have 10 subscribers now. I was trying to live stream, but it wasn't working. I don't know why. I tried to use YT Gaming and I was doing what I was supposed to do, but like I clicked on the icon at the top and then like there's supposed to be a button that said go live, and I didn't see that button, so I tried using Gusher, but it wasn't working for me. So if you guys know how to live stream, just tell me how, because I don't know what I'm doing. And yeah, to start out this video, I'm going to be opening these Road to Riches packs, just you know, just cause there's no good live events out today. For this video, I'm going to be like showing you guys my coin making methods, basically how I make my coins. And we're going to try to update the team. So I'm going to show you like the sniping filters that I snipe at, and I'm going to be getting some live snipes for you guys. I posted 5 videos yesterday and I did really well on views, which is pretty good. I'd like to thank you guys for that. And yeah, so if we reach 10 likes on this video, then I will do a face cam video for my next video. So if we hit 10 likes on this video, well no, not 10, I'll do 7. 7 likes on this video, then I'll do face cam on my next video. So like the NBA Live video, if I had the likes. So yeah, let's run the let's do scrimmage, because we're pretty close to doing the off-season training thing. We just need after this we'll need 3 more. Yeah, just tell me how to live stream, because I don't know how. I've been looking up videos on YouTube and it wasn't helping me, so just tell me how. I'll leave my kick in the description below, so just hit me up. Because I mean, I don't have a computer, all I have is my phone, so just let me know how to live stream from my phone. I tried using Gusher, I tried using YT Gaming, and it wasn't working for me. So just let me know. Alright, so we need 3 more of those. We could probably finish that today. Alright, it's 5:59. Alright, I'm about to hurry and show you guys my first sniping filter. We're going to snipe gold players, 79 and below, for 1,300 coins. Just do 1,300 coins. Alright, we're gonna do all the gold players. I'm gonna put this at 1,000. Excuse me. 6 o'clock. Oh man, I thought we were about to get to. Do a quick scroll. God, this thing's in my way. Dang. This was not a good session. Oh, I thought that was one. Alright, that was not a good sniping session there. Oh, sorry about that. But yeah, if I snipe 80 or below, then I'm going to put him in this set. I'm selling this guy. But yeah, 80 or below, I'm putting him in this set. If it's 81 and higher, I will sell. And that is one of the filters that I recommend. Alright, let's see how much this guy is going for. So I believe his name is Justin Tuck. And guys, stay tuned for my NBA Live mobile video. The award winners live event is out today, and I am determined to get Stephen Curry. All I need is 3 collectibles for him. So it looks like he's going for 3,000 coins. Yeah, we're going to sell him for that. I'm pretty sure I sniped this guy for like 1,500 coins. So we're making like a 1K profit. Alright, so that's one filter. I think I might snipe at that filter again, and then I'll show you guys a new filter. I might just like snipe them 1,000 coins each. Yeah, there's a lot that drops. So yeah, we're gonna snipe this one next. Let me just turn my phone over a little bit. So yeah, man, I want to stream so badly. It's just I can't because I don't know how. These primetime packs are pretty decent, but if you like don't have a lot of coins, I do not recommend getting them because you can get some pretty bad pulls and you can get good pulls. So yeah, I'll be back once it hits 6:04. Alright guys, I'm back. It just hit 6:04, so I will. You know what? I'm not going to snipe at that filter. I'm going to try to update our team. So we're going to do elite players. We'll try to snipe them at 8K. And we'll put the bid price to 7,500. Alright, only one drop. Wait, I think I need to be quick. What do we need? I think we need a corner. So we're going to snipe corners. $12K. Dang. Alright, no, screw that. We're going to do the gold player filter. I gotta be quick though. Like be dropping any minute since it's only like, I don't know. No, we're gonna go for the first one because an elite player dropped there. Oh no, don't do that to me. If we can snag an elite for that price, then that would be nuts. Oh, it's too slow. This is insane. I can't snipe anything today. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. Alright, I got one, thank you. Yeah, this is a harder filter to snipe at because, you know, everybody is sitting on it. We're just going to toss these in the sets. You know what? Since I'm a savage, I'm about to just open a pro pack real quick. Pro packs are awesome. I've been getting really great pulls lately. Give me an elite. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Screenshot. Boom. Oh, yo. I told you guys, man, that insane pack luck is real. It is real. Oh, leave a like for that. Alright, so we're going to put him in for this guy. Oh, we can't. Alright. We're just going to run best lineup, and our overall went down. Alright, what are we going to do here? Can we put that... the game changer really boosts up the overall, so... Done here. Alright. Yeah, we're going to do that. And then we're going to sell this guy. Let's see how much this guy's going for. The next filter I snipe at, we're going to snipe elite trophies for 8,000 coins. Well, as a matter of fact, no, we need to snipe them golds. To record the audio, I'm using my headphones, so It's like really messing me up when I'm sniping. I'm better at sniping when the headphones aren't in my ear. I'm going to snipe at this filter here. 2 minutes. Alright, we're about to see how much that guy's going for though. 8. What's his name? DeQuell Jackson. I'm just going to put Jackson. I have a little bit of time. 87. 23K. He might only be going for 20K. Wow, less than that. Alright, this is what I'm going to do. After this sniping round, I'm going to do the elite player trading. And I'm going to try to get a better elite player. But I need an elite trophy to do that. So we need 2 more players to snipe. If we snipe 2 players, then I can do the 10 trophy set. And then hopefully we can pull an elite trophy. And we pull enough gold trophies to make our money back. And ignore the background noise, please. 609, right when it hits 610. Yeah, after this I'm just gonna show you the other filters that I use. And then I'll wrap up the video with maybe like, I don't know, I might do another pro pack opening. I didn't hit 610 yet. Or 610. Alright, they're going to drop very quickly. Like the time increases as the day gets farther, as the day progresses. Now we're just going to scroll. Oh, they should have dropped. How did they not drop yet? Boom, right here. We're going to take all of these guys. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. We're going to do another scroll. Alright, that's all we're going to get from that round. But yeah, if you guys do like one good swipe and then just take the people from the back, then you'll get them. Okay, so we got 80 overall punt returner. Alright, come on. 2 elite trophies is what I want. I pulled 4 elite trophies on one of these before. Elite trophy. Come on. Elite trophy, elite trophy, elite trophy, elite trophy. Yes! Alright, we got one. Cool. That was a good opening. I'm just gonna throw these guys back in there. Alright. Alright, I'm not gonna do a large quick sell opening. But we made our money back on that pack, so I don't have to sell an elite trophy. Alright, we're gonna do the elite player exchange. Hopefully we can get somebody nice. And we get somebody worse. Darn it. I don't think that guy's going for a lot. It wasn't even an update team. Alright, we're going to open up a pro pack. And then we'll end the video. Alright. We're just going to put everything in the sets. And then we're going to end the video. So we couldn't update our team there. Well, actually we did. We updated our team. We're still in 84 overall, but we got that 92 linebacker. from a pro pack, which is insane. So like the video for that. I mean, like it regardless. But yeah, if you guys know how to live stream from your phone with no computer, let me know in the comments, because I really want to get a live stream, because I owe you guys a live stream. Because I told you guys if I were to hit 10 subscribers, I would live stream. So I owe you guys a live stream. We're going to sell all of these guys. The bronze trophies, 300 coins. And this is a 15-minute long video. And then the gold trophies for 5K. And then silver trophies for 1K. This really wasn't a coin making method video. So I'm gonna post one later today. This will just be episode 20. It'll just be I don't know, what did we do? I don't know what we did, but this was I'm gonna title the video Epic Pro Pack Opening. Yeah. Alright, about to see how much Charles Clay is going for. Man, this is a long video. So he's going for 15K. I'm gonna post him for more than that though. Oh, he's going for more than 16. So he's going for 17. I'm gonna post him for, since I want him to sell fast, 14.999. Alright guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe, and stay tuned for an epic NBA Live mobile video later today. And then I'll be posting another Madden mobile video today. I'm going to be doing my coin making methods video, and it's going to be strictly that. I'm going to do that on my primary account instead of this one. And yeah, if you guys know how to live stream, please let me know in the comment section, and peace out. Have a nice rest of your day.